Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today there are new rumors being spread that the SEC might not let the Blackrock and Fidelity Bitcoin Spot ETFs come through like people have been anticipating, which caused a downward move in the crypto markets. But Bitcoin quickly shrugged off that news, and most crypto investors seem to just chalk that up to being some more FUD. Let's uncover the story a little bit more, talk about whether or not I think this is FUD or the likelihood of whether or not the spot ETF will be approved for Bitcoin, some of the other stories that are going on in the crypto markets right now, and we'll take a peek at what's coming up as we end June and move into July. Guys, if you like this content, smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel. We are doing 5 videos every single day for you guys, and there are giveaways coming for loyal members on the channel and subscribers, so stay posted with all these videos we do for more information on that, guys. Let's hop right in and get into the content. So the overall market cap is at 1.17 trillion, up a little bit from the previous weeks we had. Now, Bitcoin dominance came down a little bit today. Why? Because of this Bitcoin ETF rumor that has been spread, but Bitcoin is still above 30,000, currently sitting at $30,500, right back up to where it was yesterday. And Ethereum actually outperforming Bitcoin today at $1,921. Ethereum having a very nice move today at 19% dominance for the market right now. Now, the big story, guys, is as reported by watcher.guru on Twitter a couple hours ago at 8:41 a.m. this morning. SEC says spot Bitcoin ETF filings are inadequate. So now the SEC is apparently speaking out against the recent Blackrock filing and potentially the Fidelity filing, where they want to get a Bitcoin ETF approved, a spot Bitcoin ETF approved, which will be a new avenue for institutions and investors in the traditional market to get exposure to Bitcoin, which would be huge for the growth of Bitcoin as we're getting into a bull market, as we're looking for more volume to come into the Bitcoin market. This would be huge. Well, the SEC is apparently, and this is just rumors, guys, criticizing the documentation, the filing that these organizations that want this Bitcoin spot ETF approved with. Apparently they're criticizing it, saying they're inadequate. In other words, this isn't going to cut it. And there's now people speculating that these might not get approved after there's been so much confidence in the crypto market with this Bitcoin ETF being proposed. BlackRock, the largest financial institution on planet Earth, the largest asset manager with $10 trillion under management, guys, this is likely still going to get approved in my mind. Rumors are very, very dangerous, and rumors don't last very long in the crypto markets, which is why in the price of Bitcoin, look at this. We saw this wick down earlier today. Let's go to the hourly candles here. Boom, a very big move downward for Bitcoin, just in a big, big way, just out of nowhere here from this morning. The story's reported, boom, a 5% dip in an hour for Bitcoin. And then what do we get? We just get buyers that come right back up, and then we rally back up a nice 4%. So if you opened up a little leverage trade there because you thought this was oversold, that was a very good trade for you. We broke back above this blue line, this key level at about $30,000, which is fantastic. And we're moving up again. And so is the overall market cap after some fear of this story that was breaking. But guys, I do think we're going to continue to move up to $1.32 trillion in the crypto markets overall. If we could break above that, I think we get an even bigger move. Bitcoin's looking at 32K in a big way. Could that happen as we start the month of July? Well, in order to understand that, guys, we got to understand the value. I mean, there is true value. Crypto offers Africans a lifeline from inflation and corruption. Same thing with people here in America. Cutting out the middleman, banking the unbanked, guys. This is the crypto narrative. That's why I think that Blackrock ETF is going to get approved. I think that it's very interesting to see also Fed Chair Jerome Powell warning that, hey, there's more interest rates coming. Bitcoin's just shrugging this news off because Bitcoin is the hedge against inflation. Everything is mounting up to this moment right here, guys, where we are leading into a bull market, and I feel pretty good. Why? Well, because we're up 14.25% in the month of June, which is all over the board, sometimes green, sometimes red. July is typically bullish, And again, we're coming into some of this recent news of this Blackrock ETF. Rumors speculate today. Bitcoin shrugs it off and moves higher after a little dip. And July, guys, is typically bullish. Now, August and September, those could be something to keep an eye on, but maybe these big stories can overcome some of the fear, some of the typical downward action we do get in August and September. Or maybe, you know, we get a huge July, cool off in August, September, and then heat back up in October, November, December, which are typically also bullish months, especially October. If you look in the last 9 Octobers, we've only had 2 red Octobers. So these are some of the things that I'm looking at, guys, with some of the news going on today. Crypto looking strong. Bitcoin moving even more right now, $30,700. Bitcoin moving in a big way. Could we see $32,000 before Monday? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. It might be tough to get volume on a weekend. A holiday weekend especially, I'd be most likely expecting us to float around here. But guys, anything could happen. Anything could happen because people are getting ready for a bull market. And I think upwards makes the most sense. What about you? Let me know in the comments down below. That's all I got in this one, guys. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you got to remember, folks, to DCA, HODL. And of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.